Mahatma Gandhi, he's the father of a nation, the man of honesty, the man of greatness. He's the one who had set us free. He's the one who had set us free. He fought for our freedom with non-violence and truth. He was a freedom fighter and a great leader, the man of patience and man of kindness. He taught us unity, truth and honesty. He taught us unity, truth and honesty.
To me, God is truth and love. God is ethics and morality. God is fearlessness. God is the source of light and life. God himself is both the law and lawgiver. Mahatma Gandhi always called at powers, not by the name of God, but by the name of truth. A very heartfelt morning to everyone present here. This is Nabil bin Shabir from class 2T, standing here on behalf of our respectable teachers, Mrs. Lubna Farooq and Pradipa Joshi, to present morning assembly. Today on 2nd October, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. We start the assembly by pay gratitude to Almighty by reciting Surah from Holy Quran by Sarasan.
Rahmanir-Rahim. Kullu Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
Now I would like to welcome my friend Rayas to tell us about the vision of school on Gandhi Jayanti.
Our vision, ISTBIL, aims to be an institute of excellence dedicated to producing good human beings and respectable global citizens. We serve to make humanity live. I repeat, ISTBIL aims to be an institute of excellence dedicated to producing good human beings and respectable global citizens. We serve to make humanity live. Thank you.
Thank you Rayas for the vision of school. We are proud to be an Indian. Pledge reminds us that we have some duties and responsibilities to our nation. It's time to take pledge. For this, I would like to call Rayan Ahmed.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect. I shall all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you then for a pledge. Gandhi's ideology of non-violence opens a world of possibilities and encourages to think outside the box. Now I invite Vishagan for the thought of the day in English.
Good morning everybody. I am going to say thought of the day. A man is born, product of the thoughts, what he thinks he becomes. I repeat, a man is born, product of the thoughts, what he thinks he becomes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Vishagan. Now I welcome Adarsh for the thought of the day in Hindi.
नमस्ते, मैं अथर्व सिंह आज महात्मा गांधी जी के विचार को व्यक्त कर रहा हूँ। एक विनम्र तरीके से आप दुनिया को हिला सकते हैं। एक विनम्र तरीके से आप दुनिया को हिला सकते हैं। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you Ada for a thought of the day. Next I would like to call Arav Anup to amaze us by amazing facts about Gandhi Jayanti.
Some less known facts about Gandhi ji. Gandhi
Gandhiji walked 79,000 kilometers during the freedom movement, enough to walk around the world twice. Gandhiji was a great writer. The collected works of Mahatma Gandhi had 50,000 pages. Great Britain released a stamp honoring Gandhiji 21 years after his death. Gandhiji had an Irish accent while speaking English. It's because one of his teachers was an Irishman. 53 major roads in India and 46 roads outside India were named after Gandhiji. Gandhiji was responsible for civil rights movements in 12 countries. Gandhiji's funeral procession was 8 kilometers long. Gandhiji wrote a letter to Hitler for which he didn't get a reply. Steve Jobs' ground glasses were a tribute to Gandhiji. Gandhiji's bloodstained clothes are still preserved in Gandhi's museum.
Thank you very much, Ara, for the amazing facts. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a man of millennium who imparts the lesson of truth, non-violence and peace. He said that there is no goal higher than truth. Let's know about this great national hero. I welcome Kaushik Selvaraj to deliver a speech in English.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. On this great day, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great leader of India. He also known as the father of nation. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhi Jayanti is known as the International Day of Non-Violence. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Kaushik. Next, I would like to invite Mohammed Ayan for speech in Hindi on Gandhi Jayanti.
नमस्ते, आज मैं गांधी जी के कुछ फैक्ट्स बताने वाली हूँ। गांधी जी भारत के एक महान नेता थे। हम उन्हें प्यारे से बापू जी बोलते हैं। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में हुआ था। उनका जन्म पोरबंदर गुजरात में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी और पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी और माता का नाम पुतलीबाई। गांधी जी अहिंसा पर विश्वास करते थे और 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत आजाद हो गया। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ayan. We are lucky to be born in the country where Mahatma Gandhi born. Now I welcome Jay Kumar for the Gandhi Jayanti activity.
Hello everyone, my name is Jay Kumar and I study in class first U. Today I am going to act as Mahatma Gandhi. My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and I am father of nation. People call me Bapu and I believe in Ahimsa Paramo Dharam. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay Kumar. Now it's time to respect our living country. I would like to welcome Ihan Abu Bakr for the Saudi national anthem.
سارعي للمجد والألياء مجدي لخالق السماء وارفع الكفة كأهدر يحمل نور المستر رددي الله أكبر يا موطني موطني
كعشت فقر المسلمين عاش الملك للعالم والوطن.
Thank you, Johan, and we are at the end. It's time to pay respect to our nation. Get ready for the Indian national anthem. I like to welcome Stephanie Jason for Indian national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे जागे तव जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, Jason. My dear friends, Gandhiji's life itself is a lesson, and looking at it more closely shows what a splendid man he was. The glasses, the dhotis, the charka, one man and one emotion, Mahatma Gandhi. We salute him and all that he left us with here. I end. Thank you very much. Thank you for the cooperation. Thank you all. Assembly dispersed.